Nel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Tonight we are heading straight to Vietnam for a glamorous Miss Grand Vietnam 2025. At isa sa pinakaabangan ngayong gabi ay ang stunning appearance ng reigning Miss Grand International, CJ Opiaza. Talagang pinasiklab niya ang entablado ng Miss Grand Vietnam 2025 with her captivating aura, elegant presence, and that undeniable queenly confidence. Kitang-kita sa audience ng excitement at paghanga habang naglalakad siya sa stage. Parang tunay na royalty ang dating. CJ Opiaza continues to prove why she is a well-loved queen, inspiring not only Filipinos but fans all around the world. This prestigious night is more than just a coronation for Miss Grand Vietnam. It also a celebration of international beauty, culture, and the true spirit of the grand experience. And of course, Queen CJ's appearance made in extra special. Grabe mga kapageant, another historic moment ang nasaksihan natin tonight. Miss Grand Vietnam 2025 will be definitely remembered as one of the most glamorous editions ever, thanks to the presence of our very own Miss Grand International 2024, CJ Opiaza. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa kanyang pasabog look at queenly performance? I-comment niyo sa baba at huwag kalimutan na i-like at i-subscribe para updated kayo sa lahat ng ganap sa pageant world. Once again, this is your pageant insider Nel 2204, bringing you closer to the sparkle and the crown. See you on our next vlog.